Hello tech lovers, today's video is on CONUSEA 0677 mini drone. Through extensive research and based on quality, we've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So, whether it's features, performance of its particular side, or necessary topics, we've got you covered with more information on this drones. We have also included the links in the description box down below. You can like the video, show your creativity in the comment section, and subscribe for more tech-related videos. We upload multiple videos in a week. Now, let's get started. Various people have various choices and various needs when it comes to anything. The same thing goes for drones. Some of us need a regular or big drone for various reasons, and at the same time, some of us need mini drones. But whether it is about regular drones or mini drones, let's talk about the features and positive and negative sides of this drone named CONUSEA 0677. Without further ado, let's jump into the features. This particular mini drone is full of great features. Let's discuss those things. It is 23.5 centimeters by 22.5 centimeters in length and width when it is unfolded, and 12.7 centimeters by 8.2 centimeters in length and width when folded. In both situations, it is 6.6 centimeters in height. It is provided with a convenient and foldable body design. Despite having a small size, it provides strong performance, just for you to go along and open up new horizons. It is equipped with high-definition pixel resolution and excellent optical response and color reduction capabilities. It has greatly improved aerial photography orientation. Whether traveling, sports, or parties, you can capture stunning and beautiful pictures. Batteries should have great capacity and lots of other great qualities. Having said that, this drone has an upgraded battery design. It is a 3.7 volts 1800 mAh battery. It can provide you a flight time of about 15 minutes. Now it is time to discuss various functions of CONUSEA 0677 mini drone. Because of having a dual camera, you will be able to switch freely and view freely. Using Wi-Fi signal transmission design, while the drone is flying, the real-time picture taken by the drone can be viewed in real time. The picture is clear and the scenery within the mile is more fun. Real-time transmission is a must for drone operators. Without it, operating a drone becomes kind of boring. So, you know the drill. Rollover stunts are fun to watch and fun to make. They provide great clips and great enthusiasm. They provide great fun too. Watching them live is fun, and watching the clips while operating the roll is also fun. In this drone, rollover stunts in the air can be easily achieved. It has an intelligent follow flight feature, having portable hover control, novice quick start intelligent follow. The camera will follow the camera wherever you go. Track flight is one of the most used features. People use this because of its simplicity, which brings ease. In this feature, you can raw track and the drone will follow that. It is one of the best helping hands for the operators. Having this on this drone, you can draw the trajectory you want through your phone and can fly your drone according to the drawn trajectory. It has some one-touch operations. You can make it take off, land, or return easily with just one button. A number of one-button control are designed for especially novices. Professionals will also get the benefits of it. It is easy and fast to abandon the tedious control in the past and be more worry-free.
Without headless mode, it is tough to handle a drone, especially for novices. Having headless mode in this drone, there is no need to distinguish the real-time flight direction, and the flight is centered on the direction of the remote control, and the control is simpler. It has air pressure automatic hovering feature. Having this feature will let you hover automatically and stably while releasing the remote control. It provides you with a great stable flying experience. And some of the scenery requires stable flying, and it helps at that time the most. And because of having anti-shake shooting, you will get to see effective improvement in sharpness. It is easy to carry because of its lightweight and embedded design. These qualities have made it very portable, so you will be easily able to carry it where you want to carry it. It is so small and convenient, as light as a phone.
Now, let's talk about the pros and cons of this device. The pros are great portability and design, follow flight, one-key takeoff and landing, headless mode. The cons are there could be more features, the camera quality could be better. The features are great, and they are perfect for a mini drone. At a budget price and reasonable price, this device is really a buyable and recommended device. If you like the video and find it helpful, you can always give a like on this video. Smash that subscribe button for more tech-related, informative videos. The links to all products we have talked about are in the description box down below. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, have fun and keep up the good work.